Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome to this 13:15 Virgin train service through to London King's Cross. My name is Darren. Train manager for you this afternoon. Apologies for the slightly delayed departure from Leeds this afternoon. This was due to waiting the arrival of a late running train to allow us to depart Leeds. For your safety and security, CCTV cameras are in operation. Wi-Fi is available throughout the train, and safety notices can be found in the vestibules for your attention. Please store luggage in the racks provided, keeping walkways, vestibules and doorways free from luggage at all times. Your designated quiet coaches can be found in coach B in standard class, K in first class. If you are seated in either of these carriages, can I ask that you turn electronic equipment into the silent mode and that you make or take any calls in the vestibule areas. We don't have catering services provided this afternoon, however we are unable to offer a standard class trolley. Do apologise for any inconvenience caused. But the full bar is open in coach H, and a complimentary first class service will be commencing very shortly. If I or any member of the onboard team can be of assistance, please don't hesitate to ask. Our first calling point will be Wakefield, with arrival time for approximately 13:30.